Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with today's outlook. It's Friday and the dollar is heading for a third weekly gain versus the euro, the longest stretch in 2 months, as signs of a sustained US recovery boosts the speculation the Federal Reserve is moving towards raising interest rates. Right now it is little changed at 1.3386 per euro. This is up 0.3% over 5 trading days and set for its first 3-week gain since the period ended May 23rd. The US employers added 230,000 workers in July, and later today we will see if the jobless rate will stay at almost 6-year low at 6.1%. The US currency rose 0.1% to 102.94 yen, extending this week's gain to 1%. Right now is retesting the recent resistance at 103 yen per dollar. Moving to UK, the British pound posted its biggest monthly decline against the dollar since May 2013. As signs of economic growth in the US economy boost the expectations for higher Federal Reserve interest rates. Sterling fell to a 7-week low versus the greenback as the data showed UK consumer confidence dropped in July and house price grew at the slowest pace since April 2013. Right now the pound is at 1.6869 versus the US dollar. Moving to Canada, a little bit of curious news. The Canadian dollar touched the weakest level in almost 2 months as data showing the economic expanded in May also failed to damp concerns growth in lagging behind the US and Canada, its largest trading partner. Now the currency later erased losses on bets it had dropped too far too fast. It fell for the first month since January, even as the government said Canadian gross domestic product rose 2.3% from a year earlier. In the commodity sector, after the data yesterday, gold held for a 3-week loss. Now, in the this is the longest run for of decline since September, as U.S. unemployment data today may confirm that the world's largest economy is gaining traction. Gold fell as much as 0.3% yesterday to 1279.30 an ounce, and this is the lowest level since June 19 last month. Now, right now is holding above the level of 1280 at the level of 1284. Further decline is expected today. Later on in the US session, we're expecting the data. Crude oil slid even further yesterday as expected, of course, reached $97.50 per barrel in the yesterday's session on increasing oil supplies. We expect that if the price holds below the level of 98.50, we'll witness further decline with another $1.50. However, we will cautiously monitor the price for a good entry point, but most importantly, all eyes on the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate, all of that later on into the US session. It will be a very, very exciting day on the market, ladies and gentlemen. Don't miss the opportunity to be on it. That's all for me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.